Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today I brings benefits of eating banana. Banana is the most valuable food crop, ranked fourth worldwide behind rice, wheat and potatoes. Other than tasty and rich in fiber, banana is very popular healthy snack for fitness minded and athlete as it's sodium free, fat free, cholesterol free fruits that contains high grade protein with three of the essential amino acids, high level of sucrose, glucose, fructose and potassium to boost energy. It is one of the few fruits which contain both easily digested complex and simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates give you endurance energy and simple carbohydrate give you quick energy. This is the benefit that we are eating banana. Eating just two banana might provide enough energy for an intense 90-minute workout. Banana contains 5 times vitamins A and iron, twice the carbohydrate, 3 times the phosphorus and 4 times protein than found in apples. Adding banana to your diet is not only great for boosting energy. Fascinating facts about the natural healing power of banana. Anemia contains high iron. Alzheimer's protect neuron cells against oxidative stress induced neurotoxicity and may play an important role in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative disorders, that is Alzheimer's. Baby food or growing kids help supply the energy needs in growing active children. Blood pressures contains low in salt and yet high in potassium to reduce high blood pressure and stroke. Bone health contains high potassium, benefit to muscles and help promote bone health. Brain power enhancements, more alert and focus. Constipations high in fiber which reduce constipation. Depressions and seasonal affective disorders SAD contain natural mood enhancers. Tryptophan make you relax and feeling happier. Digestions riper banana help relieve diarrhea. Eye health lower the risk of age-related macular degenerations (ARMD) in older adults. Hangovers calm the stomach, soothe and rehydrate the body. Heartburns act as antacids. Heart disease high fiber foods help prevent heart disease. Proteins morning sickness calm the stomach and increases blood sugar levels. Mosquito bites reduce the swellings and irritations of an insect bite. Nerves high in vitamin B that calm the nervous systems. Overweight to avoid panic induced food cravings control the blood sugar level to keep the craving away. PMS that is contain vitamin B6 that regulate blood glucose levels which can affect your mood. Stress potassium helps normalize the heartbeat, sends oxygen to the brain and regulate your body's water balance. When you got stress, our metabolic rate rises, hence reducing potassium levels. Strokes reduce the risk in death from strokes by 40%. Quit smoking recover from the effects of the nicotine withdrawals. Temperatures control a cooling fruit lowers both the physical and emotional temperature of expectant mothers. Also act as antacids. What's natural alternative to kill off a wart using banana peel? Bonus shoe polish. Want a quick shine on your shoes? Take the inside of the banana skin and rub directly on the shoe. Finish with dry cloth. Turning an amazing fruit. It tastes great, compact, healthy, easy to carry and easy to use. So why not going banana, which means you should eat banana. Banana must be the region's monkey are also all the time.